The Magical Shawarma Adventure begins in a small kitchen where the chef stands next to a table filled with fresh ingredients. The chef, smiling warmly, welcomes us to his magical kitchen. Chef, welcome to my magical kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make a magical shawarma sandwich. In the kitchen, the chef starts preparing the shawarma, adding spices and turning the meat on the grill. Chef, now we'll add a magical touch. The chef sprinkles magical powder on the meat, adding a bit of wonder to the dish. As the camera zooms in on the meat, it starts glowing in bright, mesmerizing colors. Chef, wow, look at this, the magical shawarma is ready. The chef places the shawarma in the bread, adding vegetables and sauces. With a smile, he says, Chef, now let's see what happens when we taste it. The chef takes a bite of the sandwich, and suddenly the kitchen transforms into a magical forest. Amazed, he exclaims, Chef, oh my, the shawarma has transported us to a magical world. The chef explores the magical forest, meeting and talking to fantastical creatures. Joyfully, he declares, Chef, this is the best shawarma ever. Laughs. The chef returns to his kitchen and the camera focuses on the sandwich. Smiling, he says, Chef, I hope you enjoyed our magical adventure. Try making the magical shawarma at home, and maybe it will take you on your own adventure.